If you are passionate about decorating your home, woodworking or any other similar DIY projects, then you are aware of the fact that how difficult this task is. Yes, it is fun to do if you love doing it, but it indeed is a lot harder than it looks. This task gets even more difficult when you lack the necessary tools and have to do it all by yourself. As soon as you start working on such a project, you realize the need of some magical tool, and that's where the DIY Smart Saw comes into play. Click the link in the description below this video for details. Contrary to the name and perception made from the advertisements of this product, the DIY Smart Saw isn't actually a tool itself. It's an ebook, or more like an extensive guide that teaches you how to build your own CNC machine, which Grayson, the creator of this guide, likes to call as the Smart Saw. With the help of this Smart Saw, you are able to customize almost any woodworking design as well as formulate new designs in reality with the push of a button. A CNC machine stands for a computer numerical control machine. This means that just by entering a few numbers, mostly dimensions, in this machine, it will start making cuttings and curves into wood, or any other similar material, based on the specifications thus provided. Since the whole process is computerized and automatic, there's literally no chance of errors, which enables it to deliver 100% clean and accurate results in the end. Now, the DIY Smart Saw isn't the first CNC machine to be seen in the market. What's interesting is the price at which it claims to actually formulate this machine. Normally, a good CNC machine costs around $10,000, but with the help of this specific guide, you can make your own in as less as $500. CNC machines are widely used by many professionals and big companies who are specifically into woodworking. That is because it delivers almost 100% accuracy levels and can provide up to 20 times faster production rate than manual efforts. You will probably be wondering, how does a machine that costs thousands of dollars can be made by myself and at such a low cost? Well, that's what's magical about this guide. Alex shares his own tested methods and ways to build your own CNC machine using some easily available general tools such as a hammer, tubular wrench, screwdriver, etc. The best thing about this product is its simplification. Alex has simplified each and everything by giving a nice attention towards the structure of the product and how the information is delivered to the end user. Click the link in the description below this video for details.